The Government of India has approved 3,295.76 crore rupees for 40 tourism projects under the SASI scheme. These initiatives aim to develop tourism infrastructure, improve accessibility, and support destination growth, ultimately strengthening India's tourism sector and boosting local economies. Tourism promotion and digital initiatives. High loan interest rates, low credit scores among beneficiaries are key hurdles, prompting the government to propose a 3 to 5% interest subsidy. Additionally, a public-private partnership (PPP) model is being explored, involving private developers building homes with partial government land allocation. Infrastructure development through key schemes. Developing theme-based circuits with Swadesh Darshan 2.0 for sustainability. Implementing the Prashad scheme to enhance infrastructure at religious sites including roads and sanitation. Providing funding for infrastructure in national parks, railway stations, and airports. Financial assistance for state and UT events. Apart from infrastructure development, the government provides financial support to states and union territories for organizing fairs, festivals, tourism-related events. These events promote local culture, attract visitors, create business opportunities for hospitality service sectors. Training and capacity building for tourism services. Capacity building for service providers, CBSP, scheme, training for tour guides, hotel staff, and transport operators to improve service standards. Incredible India Tourist Facilitator, IITF, certification program, training for local guides and tourism professionals, culminating in certification. Improving connectivity through interministerial collaboration. Upgrading 22 railway stations for better passenger amenities. Collaborating with NHAI to enhance connectivity to tourist destinations through road widening and improved signage. Working with the Ministry of Civil Aviation to improve air access to remote tourist spots. Application of tourism projects in different sectors. Heritage and cultural tourism. Pilgrimage and religious tourism. Ecotourism and wildlife tourism. Adventure tourism. Coastal and beach tourism. Rural and village tourism. Long-term impact of these investments. The government's investment in tourism aims to enhance connectivity, boost local economies, and improve visitor experiences through infrastructure upgrades, skill development. Sustainable initiatives will balance growth with conservation, positioning India as a top global destination.